What's up, lovelies? So I'm leaving after work for Riyadh, and well, as usual, if you watch the channel, you might know my routine that I usually go to the gym after work. So leaving Al Kharaj right now, the place that where I came, it's almost just outside of Kharaj. So from here, I'm going back to Riyadh, and the place that I'm gonna go to today fitness time is in Rawabi here in Riyadh. So by the way, my other glasses, since I left my work glasses on my other side, so I had to use the other ones that I use while driving. See a stray dog, so they got a bit dirty, so I'm using the other ones. So both of these glasses, they are from Aiwa. See, this is the frame, and well, the workwear glasses, they are from like 3M. And if you know anything about work safety glasses, most of this stuff, the good one, it's from 3M. But anyways, right now till Rawabi, the time it's gonna take me is 48 minutes. The drive is 43 kilometers. And well, what do we have over here? Some water filtration plants, or yeah, you see, they distribute water from here. So also having my coffee, black coffee, you see. Not sure how long the camera is gonna record, because it was already shot on charging in the morning, but this camera, it has also been quite helpful. Let's see how long it can record. Maybe a few minutes, I guess. But these are the scenes on way from Kharaj to Riyadh. There are hills over there in the distance, you see. Al Yamama straight ahead, Riyadh to east. From here we'll go on to the Riyadh Kharaj highway. Alhamdulillah. This is a black coffee without sugar. I really needed it because my days are relatively long. The checkpoint coming up ahead is 1 kilometer. I'll actually stop the recording. We don't want any unnecessary attention to this sort of stuff. So here we go. On a normal day, if I was coming to Kharaj or on this road, I would stop at 500,000 over there, but well, that's not the case over here. See, plus we can drive at 120, the road speed limit. Look at these scenes here on the Riyadh Kharaj highway, sipping some coffee, driving down the road towards Riyadh in the middle of almost nowhere, but there are some farms, some warehouses on this road. Occasionally you will see them like here and here. And here we go. So the drive is long, but well, let's see how much we recorded already. Some 3 minutes over there, 2 and 3 minutes over here. So the video